Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to increase treble for your BOSE Portable Home Speaker. You have to start by open BOSE application, and right here you need to click at the audio. In the second line we have treble, so to increase it you need to click at the plus button, and by default it's 10, but maximum is 100, so you can just increase it and check will you like it. To lower it, use minus button right here at the left side, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!